bit of compound. Move it around, spread it. About 3 passes across it. The only time it's okay to use the edge of the tool on the edge, not perfectly flat, up at an angle. So this should be looking pretty nice. If we did good sanding, there should be no scratches in here. Combination gets out 1,200 grit scratches. Hard to see the scratches right now though. If they're there, they're gonna show up later, okay? When you do use a fresh pad, you risk burning through a lot more easily. So it's good to actually get a little bit of extra onto that pad to start. Pre-wet out your pad. Rub that in there for the first go at it. Otherwise you risk burning it very easily with a dry pad. Do a very similar amount of compound on there. Okay, same thing, a couple passes. It should start looking pretty shiny after this step. This is when you can inspect again to look for scratches. A couple long VA scratches. Most likely, they are light enough scratches, they will come out with the wool. Okay? So when we see scratches, we can step back to our wool pad and go after them, okay? Just a little spot treatment. All right? A little extra DA with some good elbow grease, push against it. Not even gonna clean it, I'm just gonna go ahead and switch to the next pad. Do the same thing again. I don't mind doing one pass with this and the white pad. If you feel like you've got a little more larger imperfections you want to correct, it's okay to do a singular pass with this before you change the pad. Temperature's still good, not too hot. Okay. Looking nice and shiny. These pads are also getting pretty soft. You can feel that there's not much left to them, but for the final polish step, it's okay. We want it to be nice and soft. Again, just enough to get a good covering everywhere. All right. One pass with the black pad. Nice and clarified. And we can do one round with the blue pad. You're hardly gonna be able to tell the difference between these two pads, especially with that one already worn down so much. It's about the same hardness as this one. So, just for the sake of the whole process, try a different compound. Very similar. Really, any of these scratches should be able to come out with the wool. Very rarely do you need to go back and re-sand, okay?